Hey, sorry, I just had to get your attention. This video is about wooden armor.
If you look through history, you'll see a lot of steel armor, a lot of leather armor, but not much wooden armor. And if you believe the lies of big armor, they'll tell you that steel armor is stronger, more workable, and lighter. They make more money selling you the inferior armor. Think about it, the return customers, that's how they make the money. So we're gonna be true patriots and fact check all the lies spouted by big armor. So we're gonna independently build our own set of wooden armor, get a whole bunch of weapons, and then just, I don't know, just test it on the armor and see how good it is. I actually wanna like put on the armor and see how much it hurts. Maybe not like an arrow, maybe like a big boulder or something chucked at me. Thought I'd just like kind of wing it, but now that I'm actually trying to figure out how to make it, it's a bit harder than I thought. So why are we making this? Well, I'm just going to be straight up, right? I've been playing a lot of Rust, and I was just thinking, in a post-apocalypse situation, is it even viable to build this armor? Like, wood's everywhere, but is it even worth it, you know? Because, like, if you notice, I was building this with only hand tools. 0 out of 10, I do not recommend that whatsoever. Absolutely terrible experience. How did people build anything before power tools? Like, what, probably according to Rust, this allegedly takes 2 minutes to build. That is a lie. That is a blatant lie. This took 14 hours. Look, SpongeBob, me boy, look at me, 14 hours of work. Here's how we're going to test it, right? So, hatchet tied to ceiling fan. Ceiling fan starts spinning. Once spinning, hatchet spins with ceiling fan. I crouch on milk crate under hatchet path. I stand up into hatchet, feel how much it hurts, tell you how much it hurts. All right, ready? Let's do this. I've been informed by my landlord that we are no longer welcome to test inside of the house. So let's build a test dummy and take it out. We stole a set of work clothes from a homeless man that we found sleeping on the side of the road. I think the plan is, I've got a, oh, where are they? We got a whole bunch of newspapers, and I think we just stuff him. Stuff him full of newspapers, yeah. Wish someone would stuff me full of newspapers. Where does it look like a sausage? I feel like you could beat people with this and it would hurt, but it wouldn't leave a mark. Oh, there we go. All right, what do we got? Classifieds. Men-to-men Indian body rub. We can give him... Damn, boy, he's dead! Look at that! Oh my god. This is not like visual effects or movie magic. This is practical effect. I know the resemblance is uncanny. Can you guess which one of us is the real person? That's right, it's me. Oh no, I hear to drop my sunnies in my head. I shall now get up and pick them up.
I don't know about you boys, but we're on our way to We're
at a top secret testing facility here in...
What are you doing in my backyard?
6 feet tall and with an impressive 220 IQ, the Australis are some of the most intelligent beings on the planet.
Ah, what was that? Oh, it's grass.
These individuals are engaging in a curious and rather perplexing behaviour.
You're good. Beep, 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 beep.
They're testing a newly invented contraption fashioned from wood, which they call armour. Though it appears cumbersome and heavy, they seem determined to don this strange garb and test its effectiveness. But the heads have already found a flaw in the design.
Lower section, amazing. Like, there is no mobility issues whatsoever here. The upper half, you ready for this flexibility test? As far forward as I can go. I also can't hear very well out of this, so that's also a mild issue. That's a big dog.
This male will engage in a curious game. He will attack another head, not in aggression, but in a display of camaraderie, as they partake in a most peculiar and ancient ritual.
Oh, that was nothing. Okay, do it a bit harder than that. Oh! Don't you hit my face!
This one displays his aversion to pain.
I bitched out.
And now, to full send this
Yeah, for the vine. Oh! Okay. Oh.
While that didn't appear to be much, keep in mind this rock is really heavy and nearly has the kinetic energy of a 9mm round.
It's like somebody with the world's biggest hand has just slapped you, like, all here. It's still stinging and it's been about a minute. All right, get this off me. Put the armour under the... Yeah, there we go. Now, Dazza doesn't mind doing stupid things for us, not ever since we left him in that hot car for a few hours. I found a variety of tools and weapons that you're probably likely to find in the post-apocalypse, such as rock, bow and arrow, hatchet and hammer, a kitchen knife, a spear, and a barrel. Now, you're probably wondering, Jaryd, where are the guns? Well, we don't have guns in Australia. They're illegal. Nobody's going to bring them in the post-apocalypse, and I can't legally leave Australia, so...
Round one, fight!
Oh! Holy dooly, that was a solid shot! Look at that! Look at that!
Wooden armor wins. Round two.
You're dead now, mate! Oh!
Wooden armor wins. Round three.
I say that's pretty good.
Classic wooden armor doubled. Final round.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It went straight through.
Compound bow wins. But these things can also shoot right through a car door, so I guess it was going to win here.
Well, I'm pretty sure Big Compound and Big Armour are now working together. So let's see if Big Gun is independent. Next week, I'm going to go purchase an assault rifle.
Whoa, wait there, Jaryd.
What?
Isn't that illegal here in Australia?
Not for me, no.
Why is that?
Because I have over 5 million power.